What if we told you of a way to get over a month and a half of days off of work during 2023, all for only taking 19 days of annual leave days off? That's right, we're talking about a whopping 47 days off throughout next year. Certainly more than enough time off for 2 to 3 holidays and then some, all by strategically organizing your time off. It's actually 5.6 weeks off if we're being really pedantic. We're going to show you how to do exactly that in our video here. Let's go. We are still in summer as of now, but some of us are already struggling with our remaining holiday entitlements for the year, trying to make the best of a dwindling number of days off. Using the majority of your annual leave early in the year is an easy mistake to make, but it can really get to your well-being, especially as winter kicks in. This way instead sidesteps this by getting you your 47 days off across the entire year. It's also worth mentioning by now that these are based on you working the usual 9 to 5 Monday to Friday. Most among us in this position will be legally entitled to 28 days of paid leave per year. Most importantly, you'll want to check with your employer here that you get all of your bank holidays off before you book any of these dates off. This is to avoid any disappointments when booking your holidays. Alright, with all of our bases covered and with those caveats in mind, let's start on what you need to do to pick up your full number of holidays and when you need to actually take your time off. Starting with April. In April 2023, you'll find that Easter falls on April 7th, aka Good Friday, as well as to April 10th, which is Easter Monday, obviously. This means that you'll want to book these 4 dates off: Monday, April 3rd, Tuesday, April 4th, Wednesday the 5th, as well as finally Thursday the 6th of April. With these booked in, you should be able to enjoy 10 days off, all for only 4 days of holiday. That means we're at 10 days off and 4 days of annual leave used up so far. Next up, we have May. By strategically taking off Tuesday, May the 2nd, along to Friday, May the 5th, you'll grab a very tasty 9 days off of work, while only using a further 4 days of annual leave. So far, that leaves our total at a grand total of 19 days off, with only 8 days of leave used so far. There's yet more surprises to be found in May into the beginning of June, thanks to the spring bank holiday. If you once again take 4 days off in total, 2 days off at the end of May over Tuesday, May 30th and Wednesday, May 31st, and a 2 days off in June, that's June the 1st and June the 2nd, and you grab another 9 days off, all for only another 4 days of annual leave. That leaves our grand total so far at 28 days off and only 12 days of annual leave taken. Our next round of holidays to be booked to maximize your annual leave possibilities are to be found in the very back end of August going into September, thanks to the 2023 August bank holiday, that is. As a result of that, you'll get a lovely 9 days off if you book off Tuesday, August the 29th, Wednesday the 30th, Thursday the 31st, and finally Friday, September the 1st, meaning that it's only another 4 days of annual leave to be used up. That takes our total so far up to 37 days in total, with only 16 days of annual leave taken. And while many of us want to go away during June and July, perhaps before August, remember that this is only 19 days of annual leave used, which means that for many of us who get 28 days of holiday, you've still got another 9 days left over to book what you want. This brings us up to December. Needless to say, there are 2 bank holidays in December, which are Monday, December the 25th, Christmas Day, duh, and Tuesday, December the 26th, Boxing Day. This, of course, means that if you book off Wednesday, December the 27th, Thursday, December 28th, and Friday, the 29th, you'll get a fab 10 days off, all for only 3 days of annual leave. That's perfect to prep us for the new year, a time whereby many of us will be obviously celebrating with our friends, family, and those closest to us. This brings our grand total of days off up to a whopping 47, all for only 19 days of annual leave. This, of course, means that we've still got another 9 days of holiday to use up, if we're assuming the 28 days of holiday as per company norms, meaning that you'll even have plenty of time to get in some extra holidays or weekend breaks. Remember, taking a holiday when often working is absolutely essential. With the effects of the pandemic, especially with many of us working from home, the lines between working and our lives have often become increasingly blurred. Especially when our home space is our workspace, we often forget that work should always come second to other aspects of our lives, including spending time with our family and friends, or including, of course, our general well-being and our health. If you make use of any of our top tips here and book holiday around important holidays, of course, make sure that you give yourself a break and some time to de-stress away from work. Either way, there's tons of time off to be picked up with not so much usage of your annual leave days here, so make sure that you pick up what you're owed. Many of us simply need a holiday. Have you made use of any of these holiday or annual leave hikes before, or do you know of any other ways to maximize your time spent away from work on holiday that we've not included here? If you simply even want to just tell us where you've been on holiday and where you'd like to spend your time off, then simply let us know in the comments below. And of course, don't also forget to like our videos here and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss out on all of the best ways to save money and make use of money and work hacks. Thanks for watching from hotukdeals.